Hello and welcome to Awake Learning. NISAR has been successfully launched from Sriharikota using GSLV Mk2. Yes, you heard right. NISAR has been launched. What is the importance of this satellite? This is the most costliest and sophisticated satellite which is going to help complete ecosystem around the world. This is the most important satellite for us. This will monitor the earth completely and it will try to figure out the landslides, floods activity and what is the agriculture activities. Whatever the surface changes is happening on the earth can be rectified with this satellite. This satellite is operating day and night in all weather conditions. This is the major contribution of the synthetic aperture radar. Here, dual band system adopted. L band contributed from the NASA, S band from the ISRO. L band is going to identify the deeper area ideal for forest and tectonic shift and permafrost kind of thing. For surface detail, S band is going to contribute such as agriculture contribution and flood mapping, biomass tracking, everything studied under the S band. These are the important dual band associated with this aperture. What is the significance or the importance of this satellite? This is going to help disaster relief, that is before and after imagery for planning. This is going to contribute for the disaster kind of condition. Even climate monitoring, kind of glacier melting, forest degradation can be studied in a very good manner. And for agriculture sector also, crop health, crop rotation, food security kind of concern can be addressed. Even for the infrastructure part, it is possible to detect the land activities or some disaster kind of things can be rectified in a very easy manner. This will be the most powerful earth observing radar satellite. Definitely this is going to strengthen India and US space partnership. This is all about NISAR satellite which we launched from Sriharikota.